In an age where digital noise is louder than ever, why does the silent, intimate ritual of diary writing endure? What purpose does the humble diary serve in the grand tapestry of our lives? The diary, in its simplest form, is a sanctuary, a safe haven where raw emotions and innermost reflections of voice. For the young schoolchild, it's a secret confidant that accompanies them on their journey of self-discovery. Before we delve into the complexities of adolescence, here's a quick reminder for you. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now, as they navigate the complexities of adolescence, their diary becomes a sounding board, a space where they can test the waters of their burgeoning identity, away from the watchful eyes of parental guidance. This allure of diary writing isn't confined to a particular age group or profession. Take the modern journalist, for instance. Their job is no easy feat, as they are tasked with weaving intricate societal narratives. Their diary becomes a crucible of empathy and insight. It's where they ruminate, engage with the world, and cultivate a nuanced understanding of the human experience. The imperative of freedom articulates how a journalist must balance the soul of an artist with the mind of a scientist, navigating the tumultuous seas of human emotion with scholarly precision and poetic sensitivity. This delicate balance is honed through the daily discipline of diary writing. This practice allows them to forge a profound connection with society's pulse, a connection that transcends geographical borders. The Sage Council reminds us that when interacting with others, we must tread lightly upon the emotional terrain, understanding the profound impact of pride, vanity, and prejudice. In this sphere of sentiment and sensitivity, the diary stands as a steadfast companion, silently bearing witness to the kaleidoscope of emotions that define the human experience. In its essence, the daily practice of diary writing is a celebration of introspection and empathy in a world brimming with distractions. Through the silent pages of their diaries, individuals across ages and professions find solace, clarity, and connection. They weave the tapestry of their lives with threads of introspection and understanding. In the quiet intimacy of the diary, they not only discover themselves, but also the profound interconnectedness of the human experience. So, in a world that's always in a hurry, perhaps there's something to be said about the quiet, introspective practice of keeping a diary. It's a testament to the enduring power of self-expression and empathy, a gentle reminder of the importance of taking a moment to pause, reflect, and understand.